Hi there, welcome to today's video. We're going to learn how to create a YouTube banner in an easy and free way, and we're going to use an online service called snapper.com where we're going to design a banner and download it to our local disk and then later upload it to our YouTube. So as you can see, I've already loaded snapper.com and I'll scroll to the YouTube channel art. It has a dimension of 2560 by 1440. So I'll select that, and you can see that you have various templates in this. You can scroll and see what kind of templates are here. You know, templates will make you create your banner in a very quick way. For example, if I click on this one on the thread, you can be able to see that it has opened for us a design area where we will type our business or our channel name. This is a test channel. Then you can adjust the size, and then you can also adjust this text here like this test that. I can change the fonts. Change the font for these two, put a different font. That is it. You can adjust this to move it towards the center. You can adjust font size, you can adjust the font name. So it's not that complicated. So that is from a template. Now let's see how we can be able to create a banner from scratch. And you're going to select now, instead of picking the template, you're going to pick create from scratch, and it opens for your blank design area. So we need to understand these sections. As you can see here, this is a TV only area. So that means that anything that you put here will only be visible on a TV set. So it will not be seen in a phone, it will not be seen in a computer, tablet, and so desktop, and so on. Anything that is going to be here is only going to appear on a Mac's desktop. Anything that is in this region, this area here, is going to appear on a tablet. The same thing to this one. To this here, we are going to have a desktop. That's what's going to appear. This is TV only. But the white area here in the middle, what you put here will be visible in all the devices, be it TV, tablet, mobile phone, desktop, laptop. So this is the most common area that we're going to design, and that is where we are going to concentrate our design on. So having understood the areas you are working on, we are going to add a shape. So you click on shapes, then you pick the shape that you want. Let's say you want a rectangle. You pick it, it comes there. You can adjust it, you can drag it, move it, you can do like this, and then we can add text to it. We want a heading, so our heading is gonna be here, but let's put a heading to be white like that. Then we call it IMAX channel, not just our background. Also adjust this one, that. We can add another shape down here, adjust it and move it here. You can give it a background of let's give it a background of red. Add text to it, add a subheading. Let's give the subheading white, drag it here, then you edit it. Latest videos. This one we can, the fill color is what we need to change to red, and you can even raise it properly. If you want to add the font size, you can be able to do that using this particular. You can make it bold, you can align it to middle, it's already in the middle. You can adjust the letter spacing. You can change the font type. For example, this one you can give it Oswald, that, and then the background, the main background, you can pick from the many backgrounds that we have here. Pick this one, that. You can toggle here to see how it's gonna appear. You can add some effects. For example, you can darken, increase the darkness, blurriness, saturation, hue, brightness, contrast. Toggle back, we're going to appear, toggle back. So you can make as many adjustments as you wish to. Duplicate, move to back, move forward. So what you selected will the back, what you selected will come forward. It's like that. It's simple. You don't have to add so many things because we don't want to clutter our banner. We just want to have specific text on it. We should be able to communicate the information of what the channel is all about in a higher level. So that is it about the design of the banner. So once you have completed, you can download it. And as I said, the service is for free. So download it. I usually like using a web optimized JPEG, the first option. And then it's downloading our image. Yeah, just downloaded our image. Move this here. Let's go into the downloads. so you can just try to open it to see what it looks like. So that's the end of our tutorial today. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.